It out. I had Claudebot build me a full orchestrator agent, 3 managers, and then those managers are having access to all these workers and talking to themselves. And also I get the full workflow automation right here. And also I had it build a full AI automation engine over here. We're going to check it out. Look at all the active nodes, the neural pathways, the operations, the render, the efficiency. I mean, it's spectacular. Look at it. It shows all the neural pathways and agents and how they're working. I mean, look at how cool that is, right? And yeah, so other than that, let's go. We got it, the ingest, to parse, to process, and then to validate, and then there's the output. And it also goes, here's the API call, here's the worker 1, then to the database, and then to the worker 2, to the cache, to the worker 3. I mean, it is utterly spectacular. See, and it also goes to the node A, B, to the hub, node C and D as well. I mean, dude, pretty awesome. And we're back to the orchestrator. And now we're going to get to the video. So we're going to show you exactly how I did this right now. So we're going to go to the TUI in Claudebot. That's the first order of operations. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click on the terminal in Ubuntu right here. Alright, so now we're going to go open here. We're going to go to a new one. We'll go to a new session. So we're going to type in, okay, it's not Claudebot anymore, but I still have it underneath Claudebot. So we're going to make it better. Hit Claudebot TUI. We're going to hit enter right here. Boom, and look, okay, the heartbeat's okay. And then all you literally do is type in, make me the orchestrator agent team with managers who then spawn their own workers. So that's literally all you have to do. If you want to make a better prompt, I definitely suggest it because you're going to get better output. But also, even if you don't want to use the terminal user interface, you can come over here and you can put in, alright, so instead of me doing that, since I already have it fully built, I'll say, what, and we're going to ask Claudebot right here, what's the gateway command? So if you ever need to know what the command is, you can come over here and you can go to the WebUI, right? So now we're going to go right here, check it. All right, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Cloud Gateways Commander right here. So we go, here's a status right here, and then this is the one that you want right here. The Claudebot Gateway Start, Claudebot Gateway Stop, Claudebot Gateway Restart. Like, the use cases here are endless for this, guys. So we're going to go over here, we're going to start a new tab, and we're going to simply, we could type this, but we're going to come over here, and I'm just going to copy it like this for the gateway. And I think I already have it started, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, actually, yeah, we'll just go ahead. Claudebot Gateway Start. Okay, it's restarted right here. Boom. And so now you come over to here. Obviously, you can see it's offline because it got disconnected. All right, so now it's reconnected. And I'm going to have to blur that out because that's a gateway token. So, all right, we're going to go to chat right here. And boom, that's where everything is. So you can come here and do it, or you can do this too. You can come over to channels, and I got my Telegram bot, so that way I can actually use it from my phone right here. So I'm going to go over here, and my Telegram bot actually has cron jobs that now finds all my morning AI news for me as well. So I'll show you right here. If you can see it, I'm not sure, probably not, but it's all right anyway, just to show you. It has AI business news. It's got my YouTube research. It's got so much cool stuff here. So it's connected right to Telegram. It will actually teach you how to do this if you want. Just go to the bot father, create a new bot, put the tokens in, and Claudebot will do it for you. So pretty simple. I wanted to do another video on the Claudebot because I just did a little brief overview on it last time. So I want to show all the cool stuff here within this UI. It's a little bit better. So you can do a whole bunch of skills here, right? This is really what I like to look at. You can also do this in the TUI by a /command/help or /skills or plugins. But right here you can see it a bit easier. So now all these things are blocked for me. You got bubbles right here for CloudBot, so this is really cool too. The coding agent, you can run Codex, Cloud Code, Open Code, Pi coding agents. I mean, Gemini, GiftGrip, GitHub, Go places. Like, there's so many cool stuff that you can enable here. These are blocked right now, obviously. Notion right here for their API as well. Obsidian, Whisper AI. This is what I like to use a lot too to transcribe the audio. So if you want to like take some voice notes in your Telegram bot and you can send it that way. So if you're busy or you're driving and you want to still work on stuff, you can do that as well. All right, and then you guys can check through all this stuff if you want. All right, we're gonna go to nodes now too. TUI right here, the tokens. I might have to. All right, so here's the configuration right here, and it shows you, the last doctor command at 2, and that's pretty straightforward. But yeah, it can really do so much, and also, let's see here, yeah, cron job. So this is what's really cool. I'm not going to save this. So cron jobs, if you don't know what it is, a cron job is basically an automation at a certain time. It's basically a fancy word for scheduling. So I'm having it run an automation starting at 10 p.m. right here. So what that's going to do, it's going to go and it's going to search YouTube and it's going to search trending topics for me that then I can make a YouTube video on. And it will report that to me every morning at 8 a.m. That with my AI news as well. And there's so much other cool stuff with the CloudBot. And yeah, so you can use WhatsApp too if you want. I already showed you Telegram. You can use Discord, Signal, or even iMessage. So you can also use Tailscale. If you know what Tailscale is, it's basically like a way to SSH in to all your devices, such as my computer here, my Linux terminal, or your VPS, or your phone, whatever you want to do. That's what Tailscale allows you to do. So we're going to go back to chat here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. If you want to see the other CloudBot video, I will be making another one, a very beginner-friendly one, to show you how to set this all up if you don't know how. But that's all for now. Have a good one.